The figure below is made up of 4 identical rectangles. The perimeter of the figure is 126 meters. Okay, perimeter also means outline. Find the area of each rectangle. Now, to do this question, you must first understand that they are all the same, which means their width, the breadth. Okay, the breadth is all the same. So if, for example, we put 1 unit here, at the bottom, in the middle here will be 1 unit, right at the bottom will be 1 unit as well. Which tells us that 1, 2, 3 breadth is the same as 1 length of the rectangle. Alright, so the length of the rectangle, we can replace it with 3 units. Again, why is that so? 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is the same as your length over here, which is 3 units. And over here, it's 1 unit, as we have mentioned earlier, for the breadth of each rectangle. And on this side, it's going to be 3 units again. 1 unit here, 3 units here, and another 3 units on the left hand side. So when we take 3 plus 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 3, that total units will be equals to 126 meters. Alright, so let's do that. 3 units plus 3 units plus 1 unit plus 3 units plus 1 unit plus 3 units is going to be equals to 8 plus 6, so that will be 14 units. Okay, or you can just take 4 plus 4, that's 8, 8 plus 3, that's 11, 11 plus another 3, that is 14 units of length. That will be equals to 126 meters. We can proceed to find 1 unit of length. 126 divided by 14. One, 2, 6 divided by 14, we'll get 9 meters, which means that the area of each rectangle, that's what they want. On this side, it's just 1 unit, which is 9 meters. On this side, we know it's 3 units. 3 times 9, that will be 27 meters, right? So we can find the area, which is 9 times 27, to give us a final answer of 243 square meters.